If your iPhone is running iOS 17.2 or later, you've got a built-in journal app designed to help you reflect, write, and keep your memories safe. Here's how to get started with the updated Journal app on an iPhone running iOS 26. First, open the Journal app. If this is the first time you create an entry, you'll see a welcome screen. Just tap. Continue on the welcome screen to proceed. Once you're in the main Journal screen, you'll see the Insights, Places, and Journals section. Tap the plus sign next to Journals. Now enter your preferred journal folder name. You can also apply some basic customizations such as icon type and color for distinctions. Once you're done, tap the check icon on the top right edge. To add a new journal entry, tap to open your recently created journal folder, then tap the plus icon to start composing. You may be prompted to enter your Face ID to proceed. Next, enter necessary details such as the title, and then start writing your thoughts. At the bottom section of the Compose screen, you'll see a toolbar with a number of journaling features you can use, such as photos, camera, audio, location, mood, and more. If you've enabled journaling suggestions, you'll also see recommended and recent suggestions beneath. You can use it to pull ideas from your photos, music, podcasts, or locations. Fully private and only saved if you choose them. To enter your thoughts, just use the text field and the toolbar to attach photos, audio, locations, and more. When you're finished composing, tap the menu icon or three dots at the top right edge, then tap Add Bookmark to mark this entry as important. If you wish to add more details to your journal, tap Edit, then use the available tools to make necessary edits. When you're done, tap Done. Your entries are saved in chronological order. To find specific entries, you can use the Sort By feature by tapping the menu icon or three dots at the top rightmost corner of the main journal screen. Tap Sort By, then choose between entry date and moment date. You can also use the quick search icon, then scour through the suggested directories inside the journal app such as bookmarked, attachments only, photos, reflections, and more. You can create more journals anytime by following the same steps. And that's it. You can now build your journaling habit with a secure, organized space that's always with you. If this helps you start your journaling habit, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips you'll love using. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.